Hello friends, today we are going to test the battery of Realme C11 in this video. This device comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 10 watt charger out of the box. The first test is about charging the phone, then we will drain the device fully by running video in a loop, and thirdly we will use it for 4 hours on 4G mobile data using some popular apps. As we start our test, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. I can recall that Realme C3 also had a 5000 mAh battery and it took 2 hours and 55 minutes to charge the entire battery. If you haven't seen the C3 battery test video, you can find the link below in the description area or you can click it on the screen. As the test has ended, you can see the Realme C11 has come on par with C3. It has also taken 2 hours and 57 minutes to fully charge it. Moving on, we come to the rain test. I'm going to run a 1080p video on it with volume at max and brightness at 50%. The Wi-Fi and mobile data are turned off. So in the second test, Realme C11 hasn't come closer to the C3, that is still miles ahead. C11 has gone silent after 14 hours and 12 minutes in contrast to the C3's 20 hours and 34 minutes battery backup. And now it's time for the 4-hour test. I'm going to run PUBG, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, video call, SoundCloud and other such apps for 30 minutes each. Let's see which app consumes how much battery on the mobile data. In my opinion, the Realme C11 isn't as optimized as C3 was. Although it performed good in our 4 hours test, the drain time in a video loop is just average by today's standard. We have much better performances from phones like Galaxy A21s, A31 and Tecno Spark 5 Pro. But don't worry, there are tons of battery optimization tools you can find in the setting area. The power saving mode will have a little impact on the performance, while it will increase the battery life, and similarly super power saving mode will increase the battery life further by limiting some background operations. If you're interested in limiting all type of notifications, background, downloads or things like that, you can use these options. If you want to select some specific applications and restrict their activities in the background so they don't drain battery silently, try tapping these options here. In the power usage, you can get the entire history of specific apps and you can alter your settings accordingly. Here is the performance mode. A high performance mode will not care about the battery. It will use all the resources to give you maximum performance. But you can change it by selecting other two options. App Quick Freeze is another handy tool. It keeps checking if an app is doing nothing in the background while it is open. It will freeze that app and it won't let it use the resources. So these are the measures you can take to enhance your battery life further. Guys, this is the battery performance test from my side. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.